Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will analyze about transport aircraft A400M. The A400M is a 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft designed by Airbus Army International, today Airbus Defence and Space. It was created to meet the requirements and replace the C-130 transport aircraft. Let's delve into the core. A400M it has a length of 45.1 meters and a width of 42.4 meters, and height is 14.7. Inside the cargo compartment, the length is 23.11 meters and the width and height are 4 meters. Its payload capacity is 37 tons. And its range can reach up to 8,900 kilometers depending on the payload it is carrying. Its first flight was on November 12, 2009. Into its function, it can carry or drop goods from the air. It is possible to refuel other aircraft in mid-air. It can take off and land on short, unpaved runways. In the future, the A400M will be equipped with many new features and is expected to become the best medium-sized transport aircraft in the world. And now, please enjoy the performance of the A400M. Currently, 10 countries have already subscribed and are using the service. It includes Germany, France, Spain, the United Kingdom, Turkey, Belgium, Luxembourg, South Africa, Chile and Malaysia. The A400M has participated in numerous events and missions, notably the military campaign in Mali from 2013 to 2014 and the evacuation operation in Sudan in April 2023. Each aircraft costs between approximately $145 and $200 million, depending on the contract package, training costs, and accompanying equipment. And I thank you for watching and listening to my video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support me. That's what motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.